A gas pipeline owned by a third party that supplies AVISTA's natural gas was struck and damaged. Natural gas customers in Lewiston and Clarkston are affected by this. City of Lewiston and Nez Perce County officials are closely monitoring the situation and working with AVISTA and the third party to gather more details that will help us assess the potential impact on our community. As soon as we have more information, we will share updates on the City of Lewiston's official website and social media platforms, as well as the Nez Perce County Emergency Management website and Facebook page. For residents who rely on natural gas for heating, cooking, and bathing, we recommend considering alternative options in case the outage lasts for an extended period.
And one small number before you head to bed with and convenience. TIW News.